RAMS 2010. As with all our RAMS equipment, the RAMS 2010 Crimper Beader carries a standard 2-year warranty and is 100% American-made. Our RAMS 2010 Crimper Beader has a 24-gauge capacity and will provide single-pass crimping and beading. Some of the special features of this machine are the brass knurled dial, which allows adjustments to the fade or crimp angles with no extra tool. RAMS uses Torrington needle bearings instead of bushings, which provide 75% less friction for smoother operation. A 360-degree rotatable head for operator preference. An easy edge finder base. A hardened steel jacket insert to prevent base clamp from stripping. By simply removing one screw, you can change to one of 6 available bead die sets. To operate the RAMS 2010, adjust the depth gauge by loosening black adjustment knob and sliding to the desired depth. To finish the process, use the large crank handle to move the material through the dies.